Actually, we are traveling from Munnar to Alipi. Uh, at early morning 2 o'clock, 2:30 around our time, full heavy rainfall is there. From 1 o'clock, it's raining. From 12, I think so, it's continually raining. Google Maps shown straight way, not right side. Straight it's shown. What we think there are some pits also is there, small pits, damaged road. Water also stagging there. What we think, it's raining na, some water may be stored in the road now. So we think after we came here, I saw the water, but what I think it's road only, but due to rainfall the water has been stopped in on the road. So what I thought, it's road only. Why? Because showing Google Map na, I thought it's road only. So I am just 10 speed only. The car has been slowly down. Uh, when we
inside water.
only the car has been slowly went down. After front tires fully fall into the lake, the complete water has been come near glass. Then I understood, not it is not road, something lake or something pond or any canal, I thought. But what I thought means canal or pond or minimum the car will damage down part. There is no damage while I am going to down. There is no suspension damage, nothing. Little bit sound also didn't come. Slightly car has been moved into the pond. I tried to control the car. I wear reverse. I drag back also. Completely engine off the. ఒక 500 meters we went in car only. After water came inside from AC winds all, the car doors didn't open. We tried to down the mirrors. Car battery is on. Working all lights, back lights, front lights. That time only it's totally automatic car. Mirror downs na, we all from backside mirrors, windows, we came outside.
You all are okay now?
Yeah, we are.
Health issues?
No.
How many people were there?
4.
When will you back to?
Actually, I want one big lorry to take the car for Hyderabad. Why? Because we will show there. We want now. You can arrange the lorry now.
The police for that assistance.
Yeah. Okay.
So they will help you.
But I am requesting for the Kerala people and the Kerala government, the Kerala police, Kerala traffic police, all are. Please, the roads are not working. Means, please, I am requesting. At least you should keep the diversion boards or any taglines, any board, warning boards. How you can live completely? What's the chain? See, chain also not fully packed. Chain also down. How the people can see the chains, all rods? At least you should keep into plaster, anything. This is third time it's this incident. This third time they are telling, the people are telling.